In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet within your dashboard. Let's get started by opening up your Tableau desktop app. Once you've got that open, head over to the worksheet that contains the data you'll be working with. This is where the preparation for your visualization begins. Now within your worksheet, you're going to create your first visual. Start by dragging the region field to the column shelf. This sets up the foundation for the visual you want to create. Following that, take the sales field and drag it over to the rows shelf. By doing this, you're essentially telling Tableau to plot your sales data across regional categories. The next step is to enhance this visual by adding color for distinction. Drag the region field to the color box under the marks card. This will color code the visual based on different regions, making it easier to differentiate between them at a glance. Now that you have your primary visual set, you're going to generate a duplicate of this sheet by right-clicking on its tab and selecting Duplicate. You'll convert this duplicate into a legend. Transform the existing chart into a square format, which makes it more suitable for a legend layout. With this setup, you can remove sales from the rows shelf since it's not needed for the legend. Next, you need to tidy up the view a bit. By clicking on the region header, you can uncheck the Show Header option to remove it from view, keeping your legend clean and concise. After hiding the header, focus back on the region in the columns shelf. Press and hold the Ctrl key, then drag region again, but this time into the label shelf. This step is crucial as it will display the region names directly on your legend. Once the labels are in place, click the Label option and choose to center align the text. Centered text provides a clean, symmetrical look that enhances the readability of your legend. With your legend now aesthetically prepared, navigate to the Dashboard tab. You're about to bring your legend into the dashboard view. While holding down the Shift key, drag the legend sheet into the dashboard. Holding Shift allows you to place it as a floating item, giving you free rein to position the legend exactly where you want on the dashboard. Finally, to reduce any clutter, click on the drop-down in your legend sheet and deselect the title option. This will remove any unnecessary titles and emphasize the legend itself. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a horizontal legend in Tableau, which is now part of your dashboard. This handy addition can significantly improve the clarity and professionalism of your data presentation.